Hey, I'm Chris with Sign-A-Rama here in Greensboro, North Carolina. We're going to put some window graphics up here on the door here real quick today. We've already gone ahead and cleaned the window. You want to use alcohol for cleaning. Windex does a great job, except that it leaves an oily residue, and that's not good for putting vinyl graphics on it. So you can go back with Windex afterwards. Beforehand, you want to make sure you don't use Windex. Again, like I said, we prefer to use alcohol. Window's already clean. Obviously, as far as the placement is concerned, you can put it wherever you want. It's just an opinion. It's not necessarily a right or wrong place, but we're putting our name across the center of the door, right about eye level, and then we have some text a little bit lower on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and do a couple different types of installations here. We have just cut vinyl letters down here, so we're going to use what we call the hinge method. I'm just going to go ahead and put a bead of tape across the top. Yes, it's chilly out here. To make it a little bit easier to go ahead and apply this graphic, I'm going to do it in two separate pieces. The tape is already holding the orientation of all the letters in one place. Go ahead and peel off a couple pieces of tape. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut between the individual letters to make two separate graphics. Now I have two different pieces, so it's going to make it easier to apply. I'm just going to go ahead and lift up the graphic. Peel the backing paper so now the graphic is exposed. Try to keep it relatively tight. And a left to right motion, starting at the top. I'm just going to use my applicator. And work down the bottom. A little more of the backing paper. And last little bit. I'll go ahead and do the second half. Once the graphic is applied, I like to go back one more time with the applicator. Just go over it one more time. I'm going to do the same thing. Again, use the hinge method, bottom graphic. This graphic's a little bit smaller, so I'm going to do it all in one piece. I'm not going to cut between the letters. This graphic here is two different separate colors. This one was just one color, so we can see the mask is a little bit different. On this one here, the masking paper is clear, which is why it looks different. Again, it's just because it's two different colors, and we had to put the two pieces together. The clear lets us align the colors a little bit better, but application is exactly the same. Then we have the top graphic up here. This one's a digital print. We have lots of different colors and fades and gradients, things you can't do with cut vinyl. So it's a little bit trickier. I can't go ahead and cut in between the letters on this one. I have to do it all in one piece. So we're going to use a little trick we call the center hinge method. Instead of taping it across the top, we're going to tape it down the middle and do it in two separate pieces. Basically now what we've done is created a left and a right half. peel it back just like we did with these. But because the paper is still in one piece, I'm going to have to actually cut it. Just another step. Go ahead and peel it back. And cut off the backing paper. Might be a little easier to have someone give you a hand to help you with that cut. And again, because I'm going left to right, instead of starting at the top and working down, I'm going to work at the center and work out. Then just peel off your center hinge. Again, you're going to start at the center, now you're going to use the other side. Go over the graphic one more time, just to be sure. Go ahead and peel off your mask. One thing you want to be careful is when you peel the mask, you don't pull away from the graphic like this. You want to peel back against the graphic. It'll help the vinyl stay stuck to the surface you're applying it to. And there you go. There's no drawing or anything required for the cut vinyl, and the digital print was dry days ago, so it's ready to go. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and wipe down the window again with Windex. In this case, it's not necessary. The window's pretty clean already, but if you wanted to, you could. And there you have it, Vinyl Graphics.